It's the fifth day in a row where we've seen temperatures 90 degrees and above. Yesterday, we broke a record 95, and guess what? Tomorrow, we should see record heat once again, reaching the mid-90s and upper 90s throughout Southwest Florida. So Tuesday, equally as steamy. Wednesday, 93 degrees. And then as we get towards Saturday, that'll be the 10th day in a row with temperatures 90 and above. But we do expect to see a few showers Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that should help with the heat. It'll cool off the air for just a little bit. But of course, it is going to be fairly warm after that rain will wrap up. But we're not going to see too much rain, just a few isolated showers. That's all in association with this front that we will have stalled off to the north of us. It's going to be very weak, but at least it will give us a shot to see some rain, which we could desperately use for this time of the year. Now, speaking of some rain, we do have some storm activity well off to the north of us, south of Jacksonville, right along St. Augustine, pushing off to the Atlantic there. And we're not going to see any of this rain for us here in Southwest Florida. We're actually very, very dry. Throughout the rest of this evening, temperatures will be in the 80s. Look for partly cloudy sky, a little hazy off into the distance. I don't know if you've caught the sunsets the past couple days, but it looks absolutely stunning with just the sun setting with all the haze in front of it. So pretty cool setup that we've seen here for Southwest Florida because of all that extra heat. Sunset, that's at 7:51 p.m. If you get a picture of it, send it in. I'd love to see it. But take a look downtown Fort Myers. Already pretty hazy out there. It just looks hot. We have the upper 80s still, feeling more like 97 degrees. Humidity, that's at 59%. Southwest onshore wind at 14 miles per hour. So take a look. We do have the mid-90s to upper 90s still from Clewiston to the lower 90s for Lehigh Acres at 91. We have Naples 87 degrees, and all of us still feeling well within the upper 90s. So even tomorrow we should see temperatures feeling actually close to the triple digits for a few hours. So just keep that in mind if you have to do anything outdoors. If you're going to take the dogs out for a walk, make sure that they are hydrated and try to keep off the grounds and concrete if you can. Maybe just keep them on the grass. But here's what we're looking at as we go overnight. We do stay dry. We do see some haze by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. It's going to be hot. It's going to feel like a sauna when you step outside the door. By the afternoon, very hot, with a chance for a few showers developing well east of 75, so leaving our beaches mainly dry. Now, a lot of that rain should track off to Lake Okeechobee, and that'll clear out as we go into the later half of the evening hours. But again, most of us do stay dry, so we just have isolated rain in the forecast. By the time you wake up, low 70s. For some of our inland northern communities, mid to upper 70s, even close to the 80s along the coast. As I mentioned, record heat is in the forecast for tomorrow with temperatures reaching well above average, about the mid-90s, feeling more like the triple digits. So here's what we're looking at over the next few days ahead. We do have the chance, as I showed you, with some rain in the forecast Thursday, a few isolated showers even for Friday. Saturday, we do get a break, but a chance for a few more showers return by Sunday.